It's amazing bridge. Really, I think it is only one bridge in southwest China. And I found five kind of the foods similar like the Nepali food. We are going to visit Garje Museum in Kangding. Of course, in the past time, I read many books and I heard many story and historical matters from the friends and from book or other document. But today I know China protecting their history. The Thangka culture is a very ancient time culture. It's represent or interpret the ancient time is history, real history. Okay, Master. 我很高兴。再见。再见。I found it very good because I have been visiting many monasteries in Macau and South China Sea, Suining. There is a Kangding Buddha and Xichang, Lhasa, Sigacha, and Nippur, Sikkim. Everywhere I visited there, and then I got it very good. Really, I feel it's more than the bad places. Yes, managing is good. This place is small, but managing is very good. We all believe the Guru Rinpoche. We have been praying him to keep peace and the prosperity and happiness of the whole world's people.